Hello students and welcome to my channel. Students, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And yes, please don't forget to press the bell icon for getting the notifications for the upcoming videos. And yes, also do share it with your friends also. So students, today we are going to start with the topic that is ratio and proportion. So this is the part 1 video in which I'll be covering only one part, that is the ratio part. So there are certain important concepts related to ratio which one must be aware of it. So today I'm going to discuss about that only. Important concepts are ratio between x and y is fraction, that is x upon y. Normally we call x as a numerator and y as a denominator. But when we come into the ratio part, we write it as x is to y, where the first quantity is known as antecedent. X is the first quantity, so x को हम क्या कहते हैं? X is antecedent and y is consequent, which is the second quantity. Now the second concept is x and y has no unit. Obviously, x and y, the ratio x and y has no unit. Why it has no unit? Because ratio always exists between the quantities of same kind. Like let's suppose if I have given you 5 kg is to 1 gram. So if I want to take out the ratio of these quantities, so this kg will be converted into gram. So 5000 gram is to 1 gram. So this gram and gram get cancelled. Hence, whatever is the ratio, it does not have any unit. Next, ratio exists between quantities of same kind, as I told you. अगर unit different रहती तो we make it same by getting the relation. Then ratio remains same if both antecedent and consequent are multiplied or divided by the same number. Let's suppose I am having a ratio that is x is to y. Now if I am multiplying by 5, that means I am getting 5x is to 5y. So this ratio will be same as this ratio. So they are saying same thing. Ratio remains same if both antecedent and consequent multiplied or divided by same number. One more thing is there, this ratio is always expressed in its lowest term. Let's suppose I am having a ratio that is 2 is to 3. So 2 is to 3 is already in its lowest form. But if I am having a ratio 8 is to 24. So 8 is to 24, if I cancel it out, I'll get what? 1 is to 3. So ratio is always expressed in the lowest form. Ratio A is to B is not equal to B is to A unless A is equals to B. Now what I mean to say over here is that if I am writing here is 5 is to 6. So this 5 is to 6 is never equals to 6 is to 5 because this A and B are not equal. Now let's suppose if I have written 2 is to 2. So 2 is to 2 will be equal to what? 2 is to 2. So if A and B are equal, अगर A और B equal होते हैं, so the ratio A is to B will be equal to what? B is to A. Now some ratios are given over here and these are very important ratios. See, what is compound ratio? If you are provided with 2 or more than 2 ratios, let's suppose you are provided with A is to B and X is to Y and L is to M. So these are the 3 ratios you are provided with and they have told to find the compound ratio. तो कंपाउंड रेशियो निकालने के लिए व्हाट वी डू, इनके एंटीसीडेंट द फर्स्ट टर्म is multiplied a into x into l. So a x l is to the second term b y m. So this is what? This is the compound ratio. Now if they are saying duplicate ratio, Duplicate ratio क्या होता है? Same ratio को 2 बार multiply करना है. Like if I'm having x is to y, so x is to y into x is to y. So this is what? Duplicate ratio. Similarly, if I have to find triplicate ratio, it will be x cube is to y cube. But if in the question it is given, we have to find subduplicate ratio. तो subduplicate ratio का मतलब होता है whatever ratio is given in the question, we'll find out its square root. Square root of x is to square root of y. Similarly, subtriplicate ratio, cubic root of x is to cubic root of y. So these are the certain ratios which are very important and very helpful. So now we'll be seeing the questions related to the concept. So the question related to ratio is 3a plus 2b is to 5a plus 3b equals 18 is to 29. Find a is to b. Sometimes they give us this type of question. So in this type of question, what method we have to apply? I'll be telling that 3a plus 2b is to given. So हम इसको ऐसे अपॉन में लिख देते हैं 5a plus 3b equals 18 is to 29. तो 18 upon 29. We'll cross multiply it. 29 into 3 will get 57a plus 29 into 3 87a plus 29 into 2 58b equal 18 into 5 90a plus 18 into 3 54b. Thus we'll bring the a terms to one side and the b terms to other side. So we'll get over here 87a minus 90a equals 54b minus 58b. So we are getting over here minus 3a equals minus 4b. This minus and this minus get cancelled. So a by b is 4 by 3. Thus we can say a is to b is 4 is to 3. Now in this question they have mentioned this part and they have asked this. Sometimes in question they mention a is to b is this, find this. So now we'll see that type of question also. So the question is, they have mentioned x is to y is 2 is to 3. Find 3x plus 2y is to 2x plus 5y. So what we'll do over here, x by y is what? 2 by 3. अब ये जो question दिया गया है, we'll write it 3x plus 2y upon 2x plus 5y. So now what we'll do, dividing each term. Here we'll divide each term by y. Dividing each term by y or by x also we can do. No problems in that. Up, if I'm dividing this term by y, so I'll get what? 3x by y. Plus, if I'm dividing this term by y, so I'll get only 2. Similarly over here, 2 into x by y plus 5. Now we know x by y is what? 2 by 3. So we'll write it over here. So 3 into 2 by 3 plus 2 upon over here 2 into 2 by 3 plus 5. So this is how we have come to the conclusion that this ratio is equals to what? 3 got cancelled, 2 plus 2, 4. Similarly here 4 by 3 will get plus 5. We'll take out the LCM. So we'll get 3 into 5, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. So we'll get 19 by 3. This 3 will be shifted over here. So 4 into 3 by 19, that is 12 is to 19. So see, the first type of question was they mentioned this ratio and they ask x is to y. Sometimes they mention x is to y and they ask this. So we have to solve it by this method. Now the question is, two numbers are in the ratio 3 is to 5. If 8 is added to each number, ratio becomes 2 is to 3. Find the number. The two numbers they have given and they are in the ratio of 3 is to 5. तो अब हम इसमें क्या करते हैं, व्हाट मेथड वी अप्लाई ओवर हियर, लेट द टू नंबर्स बी, लेट द टू नंबर्स बी 3x and 5x हम assume करते हैं because it is 3:5. So we assume that the two numbers are 3x and 5x. Now according to the question, what they are saying, 8 is added to each number. So 3x plus 8 upon 5x plus 8. If 8 is added to each number, तो ratio क्या हो जाता है, 2/3. Thus the ratio is 2/3. So we'll now cross multiply it. 9x plus 24 equal 10x plus 16. We'll shift over here. So we'll get 9x minus 10x equal 16 minus 24. Thus minus x is equals to minus 8. So x is what? 8. Two number are 3 into 8 because the value of x is 8 na? So 3 into 8 is 24 and the other number was what? 5x. So 5 into 8, thus 24. So 24 and 40 are the number on which if we'll add 8, so we'll get the number, the ratio to be 2:3, are the number which on adding 8 gives ratio 2:3. So this is the answer. Now the question is, what quantity must be added to each term of the ratio 8:15 so that it becomes equal to 3:5? What quantity must be added? So let the quantity added is, we'll suppose, let the quantity added be x. Now according to question, अब हमने माना कि x क्वांटिटी हम दोनों में ऐड करते हैं, दैट मीन्स 8 plus x upon 15 plus x, this will be, the ratio becomes equal to what? 3/5. So this will be 3/5. We'll cross multiply it. 5 into 8, 40 plus 5x, 15 into 3, we'll get 45 plus 3x. So 5x minus 3x equal 45 minus 40. Thus 2x is equals to 5. So x will be what? 5/2. So 5/2 is a number which should be added to each term of the ratio so that the ratio becomes what? 3/5. Now the question is, when the fare of certain journey by an airliner was increased in the ratio of 5:7, the cost of ticket for the journey became rupees 1421. Find increase in fare. अब देखिए यहाँ पर उन्होंने कहा कि फेयर ऑफ सर्टेन जर्नी बाय एयरलाइनर वॉज इंक्रीज्ड, तो लेट इंक्रीज हो गया, पहले फेयर क्या था, लेट ओरिजिनल फेयर, विल सपोज लेट ओरिजिनल फेयर बी 5x, 5:7 है तो विल कंसिडर ओरिजिनल फेयर बी 5x and increased fare be what? 7x. Now in the question what they have mentioned, they have mentioned the cost of ticket for the journey became this, matlab this is increased fare. So according to question, this 7x is what? 1421. The cost of increased fare is rupees 1421. So the x, the value of x will be what? 1421 divided by 7. So x will be 203. Now, so original fare क्या रहा होगा? Original fare would have been 5x. So 5x, the value of x is what? 203. So 5 into 3, 15. 1 carry, 5 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 5 into 2, 10. So this was original fare. Now in question they have asked increase in fare. So increase in fare would have been, increase in fare is 1421 minus 1015. Thus, the increase in fare is rupees 406. This is the answer. Now we'll see certain questions in which we'll find out the compound ratio, duplicate ratio, triplicate ratio, subduplicate and subtriplicate ratio. Now the question is, find compound ratio of 3a is to 2b, 2m is to n and 4x is to 3y. So as I explained in concept only, if we have to find compound ratio, so compound ratio will be what? Multiplication of antecedents upon multiplication of consequent. So compound ratio is 3a into 2m into 4x. So 3 into 2 6, 6 into 4 24. 24 amx. So 24 amx is to 2 into 1 into 3. So 2 into 1 1, 2 into 3 6. So we'll get over here what? 6 b n y. Now every time we have to express this ratio in the simplest form. This 6 and this 24 will be cancelled. So the answer will be 4amx is to bny. So this is our compound ratio. Now see the next question. Find the ratio compounded. That means again we have to find compound ratio only. But of what? Find the ratio compounded of किसका? Duplicate of 5 is to 6, reciprocal ratio of 25 is to 42, subtriplicate ratio of 216 is to 343. मतलब इसका duplicate and for this reciprocal and for this we have to find subtriplicate. We'll get the three ratios and then we have to find the compound ratios of these three ratios. So now we'll see. We'll first of all find out duplicate of 5 is to 6. So duplicate of 5 is to 6 is what? Multiplying the same number twice. So it will be 5 into 5. 25 is to 36. Now reciprocal. So reciprocal of 25 is to 42 will be what? Reciprocal. So 42 is to 25. Then subtriplicate we have to find. Subtriplicate of 216 is to 343. It will be cubic root of 216. So cubic root of 216 is cubic root of 216 is to cubic root of 343. So cubic root is 6. 216 का cubic root is 6. 6 into 6 into 6 we get 216. Similarly 7 into 7 into 7. 7 को 3 times जब हम multiply करते हैं तो we get what? 343. So it is 6 is to 7. Now in तीनों का we have to find what? Compounded ratio. So compounded ratio will be what? Compounded ratio. तीनों के first term 25 into 42 into 6 divided by 36 into 25 into 7. So this is compounded. This 25 and 25 get cancelled. 6 and 6 1s are 6 and 6 into 6 36. 7 1s are 7. 7 6 are 42. 6 1s are 6 and 6 1s are 6. So the compounded ratio of किसका? Duplicate of this, reciprocal of this and subtriplicate of this, we got what? 1 is to 1. So this is how whatever concepts I explained previously, I have covered almost all the questions related to the concepts explained you. So this video was all about the ratios. Hope guys you like this video. So please do like and share it. Thank you.